Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Distinguished panelists, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. On behalf of Commission on Science and Technology for Sustainable Development in the South, I am honored to welcome this august gathering to discuss a topic of deep significance to the vulnerable regions such as Indus Basin and our environment at large. Permaculture is a transformative approach to agriculture with potential to reshape our farming practices by working with nature and not against nature. Permaculture is not merely a set of techniques, it is a guiding philosophy. In contrast to conventional practices, which often rely heavily on chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and monoculture cropping, permaculture promotes biodiversity, soil health, and resource efficiency. This system supports a variety of plants, animals, and microorganisms which work together to create a balanced ecosystem, reducing the need for chemical inputs and enhancing natural resilience. Ladies and gentlemen, in this context, it is heartening to see the project of Living Indus, an UN initiative in Pakistan, spearheaded by Pakistan's Ministry of Climate Change with the involvement of local communities. The project was born out of the urgent need to address the deteriorating environmental and socio-economic conditions of the Indus River Basin, which supports millions of people and is crucial to Pakistan's agriculture and water systems. Pakistan is the founding member of COMSETS. COMSETS is the brainchild of world-renowned Pakistani scientist and physicist and Nobel laureate, Professor Abdul Salam. COMSETS Center of Excellence in Biotechnology and innovations by our centers in Colombia, China, Turkey, Brazil, Tanzania, Bangladesh, and Ghana could be helpful. In the context of permaculture, the initiative of River Indus is my reference point. By harnessing collective expertise from local and international partners, an approach Living Indus aimed with the view to restore the ecological balance of basin. The initiative integrates modern scientific research with traditional practices, creating a sustainable framework for the future of the Indus River and its communities. Ladies and gentlemen, the initiative emphasizes restoring soil health, erosion and degradation cause loss of fertile, which actually cause loss of fertile land in Pakistan every year. Permaculture uses techniques towards healthy soil, which would enhance plant resilience and productivity. Biodiversity is at the heart of permaculture. For the Indus Basin, which is home to over 900 plant species and 143 species of fish, fostering biodiversity means not only safeguarding native species but also establishing ecosystems that can withstand environmental stressors. Ladies and gentlemen, water scarcity is a pressing concern in the Indus Basin, where annual renewable water resources have dropped from 5,260 cubic meters per person in 1951 to just around 1,000 cubic meters today, as the studies have been carried out by international organizations. Contrary to water-intensive methods, permaculture offers water-efficient systems such as rainwater harvesting, drip irrigation, and swales to capture and retain water in the soil. Community engagement is essential. The Living Indus initiative provides training and education, equipping stakeholders with the knowledge needed to implement and sustain permaculture practices effectively. There are some good global best practices, good practices. This permaculture is a transformative in nature, as I have mentioned earlier also. Projects like the Greening the Desert in Jordan have transformed barren landscape into green, productive oases using water-saving techniques and biodiversity. Ladies and gentlemen, permaculture marks a critical shift towards sustainable, resilient, and resourceful, efficient agriculture. Together, we can lead this movement, setting an example for regions facing similar challenges around the globe. Thank you.